You know how to do something people would hire you for, but only if they knew you are available. If you're looking for ways you can earn a few extra bucks with a side hustle, you'd likely encounter hundreds of strategies to make some money. However, depending on your unique needs and your skills, earning a respectable amount of cash and doing it quickly might be well within your reach. No matter where you're from or what you do for a living, thanks to the conveniences afforded to us by the internet, making money is no longer a constant and never-ending struggle. With the proverbial world at our fingertips, as long as you know how to tap into the vast amounts of opportunities found in the digital ether of cyberspace, you can earn some extra income even if you're in a tight bind. Some of the strategies listed below offer a quick fix for making some money. Others will take a sizable investment of your time. Either way, select a method that fits within your skill set and ensure that you deliver a serious amount of value. At the end of the day, that's what it's all about. This is 10 ideas for a lucrative side hustle. Number 10. Manage social media for small businesses. Many small businesses need a social media manager and simply don't have the time nor the expertise to be constantly posting on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, or Twitter. Take it upon yourself to contact local businesses and offer up your services for a contracted monthly fee. This is an easy way to make money no matter where you live. Before we continue, subscribe to Rite Entertainment for a lifetime of riches. Number 9. Answer questions on JustAnswer. Websites like JustAnswer pay you to answer professional questions. If you have a high-level skill such as experience in law, medicine, or information technology, you could get paid to help others navigate certain topics or areas of contention that they might be faced with in life. Number 8. Sell services on Fiverr. Fiverr helped give birth to the gig economy. Although services start out at $5, some Fiverr sellers are earning six-figure plus revenues annually. You can sell just about anything on this platform, but to succeed and become a super seller, you need to deliver massive amounts of value even at those lower price points. Number 7. Write resumes. Good at resume writing? Use sites like LinkedIn and other professional sites to advertise your resume writing services. Do a few for free and grab some raving reviews, then watch your sales skyrocket. Number 6. Create an online course. Create an online course with a platform like Udemy or Teachable and leverage some of your skills to create a healthy income. Depending upon how much time you invest in your course, you could make a substantial side revenue stream by creating courses that deliver tremendous amounts of value. Number 5. Create YouTube tutorials. Although this isn't the quickest way you can make money with a side income, creating YouTube tutorials can help you earn a respectable amount of income as long as what you deliver is engaging and it keeps people interested for long enough. You could also use free tutorials to upsell viewers on products and services you might be offering. Number 4. Design logos on 99 Designs. If you're graphically inclined and you're into programs like Photoshop and Illustrator, you could potentially compete for design work on 99 Designs. However, you won't get paid unless your design is chosen as the winning design, meaning you need to be a very good designer to make income that's worthwhile here. Number 3. Become a personal shopper. Want to shop for others? You could effectively become a personal shopper. If you live in an urban metropolis with concentrated wealth, then personal shopping services are in high demand in your area. Scour the web and other online resources such as Thumbtack to find people looking for personal shoppers. Number 2, sell products on Etsy. Use Etsy to sell crafts or other homemade items. Etsy is one of the largest resources for selling handmade goods on the internet. You could also sell digital items such as a digital poster that can be printed out. Number 1, become a freelance article writer. Write articles for other people. If you have a passion for writing, you could help out other bloggers or even become a ghostwriter for a well-known author. Use sites like Freelancer, Upwork, and others to advertise your services. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and press the bell to get notified when we upload the next video. Please like and share this video. Follow us on Instagram at Rite Family for more tips on making money. Never stop hustling. Goodbye.